Hey guys, Sean here, Cardinal Beard Company, and I'm at the Bearded Goose Barbershop in Dunn, and I'm here with my main man Biff, the owner at the Bearded Goose, and he is going to walk us through how to use and the difference between beard brushes and beard combs. Biff, why don't you give us a little instruction?
A lot of guys look at both of these and they don't understand. You know, okay, I've got a beard comb actually for the beard, and then I've got a beard brush as well. Both of them have two totally different roles in life with your beard, and both of them are extremely important depending on what length your beard is and what size and what we're actually going for with the beard. If you want to come in with the old school Grizzly Adams style, just all over the place, chuck these out the window. But if you want to come in and be groomed, you want to be a gentleman, potentially have your wife say, okay, you can keep it, you want to buy these. So the biggest thing is when you first come out of the shower, you want to come in and you want to use the comb itself. And you can see the comb is two different sides. This one does. One is the wide tooth for the actual beard. One is the fine tooth for the actual mustache. So when you come out of the shower, use the comb. Come through and you want to get the knots out. Water will naturally knot hair. That being said, you want to come through here easy. You don't want to come through and just keep ripping and gripping, because you're going to rip the hairs out. And it's painful. So once you get all of the knots out from the shower, or when you first wake up in the morning, you can use this as well, without a shower or what have you, but this will help get the actual knots out of it. You'll come back with the brush, and all the brush does, it's an overall maintenance tool for the beard itself. So you'll come through, and this is how you're actually going to groom and sculpt the beard. So do I want these flyaways here to lay flat? Then I will come in and I will pull them into the beard. If I'm okay with these flyaways to give me more width of the beard itself, then I will brush them to the back. There's different ways you can do that, just as you would comb your hair, brush your hair, what have you. So you'll come through, do lightly. You don't want to run these bristles, and this is a boar bristle brush. You don't want to run them all the way through the beard itself. You want to go on the top side. So you can come in and sculpt, and you can maintain, and you can get the beard looking exactly the way you want it every time. And as we were saying, with the actual comb itself, it has the two sides with the wide tooth and the small tooth. The thing that you'll notice about this comb is it's wooden. There's a reason for that. We don't want to use plastic combs on our beards, and here's why. Because plastic, when it comes through, creates static electricity. With that static, it can go into the actual hair follicles of each one of your hair shaft for the beard, and it can stump the growth, and that growth fades. So we don't want to use those. If you use a plastic comb, is your hair going to fall out? Is your beard going to stop and never grow again? No, that's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is this is healthier and better for the overall and the longevity of your beard. So make sure you try to get a wooden comb.
So that is how you use combs and brushes on your beard properly. Thanks so much for tuning in. We'll see you next time.